I just received this parcel from the mail, and so inside here we've got the Super Weilong and some glue. So we'll open this up. Okay, so here we go. Got that. We've got the lube, which we'll open later. Let's get into this. Let's cut all this tape. Cool. Anyway. Oh, that's the bottom. Let's open the top. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get this out. Okay, we have the box here. Got a picture of the cube. And look at the back. So let's bring the main box out. Put that aside. Definitely keeping this box. And then we open it like that. Oh, is this the right way? It's the wrong way. Open it like this. And take this off. Okay. So, obviously, we've got the cube, we've got the watch straps for the MoYu time strap. We've got the accessories box. So, in the accessories box, let's have a quick look at this. We've got, let's see, your solving pamphlet, your adjustment guide. Here's 2 cards, one of JD Brewster and this other guy. And then we've got the adjustment tool. Now, let's get the cube out. It's in very tightly. And look there, and it's out. Okay, so we've got the main thing, which has a button here, which releases both sides and take it out. So the cube is auto align. It's pretty amazing. It actually feels really nice. So this has quite a unique feel, I guess. It's sandy, and it's quite sandy out of the box, but it is still very smooth. It's got decent corner cutting, so maybe from there, yep. Reverse. It's quite loose out of the box and flexible, so feels quite nice. And obviously it's got the adjustable magnets, and under the center cap you've just got the normal adjustment system. Obviously, so this is the 20 magnet ball core one, so the most expensive one. Now, let's see what this time strap is about. See how it works. So, grab these watch straps if we can. There we go. Looking very much like Apple Watch straps. And I'm assuming just slide in. That's probably the wrong way. Slide in like that. Nope. That way. Is that it? Solid. I think that slides in, and then this one slides in the same way. So you've got this, when the middle one's silver, that the silver part goes on the bottom. If you can get it to slide in. And it slides in from either side. Just like that. Now, if we put this on, let's see. So that will go through there, and then through there, and that will clip it. Okay. So, let's see. We put this on. Gosh, mass. We put this on, it goes through that one. And we can tighten it quite a bit, which is good. Through there, and on through there. So, obviously, it doesn't feel like a proper watch because it's so bulky. The center of mass is quite high, so it puts quite a bit of weight on it. But for their plan, it works exactly what it's made for. So that's really cool. It's a little side picture. Now, the adjustment. Let's look at that. So obviously you've got magnet adjustment. So if we open this up, you've got your multi-tool kind of thing, which has all the adjustment things that you'll need. Obviously, let's open one of these centers up. So you've got this little cup thing to change your center travel. You've got the screwdriver to change tension. You've this thing, which doesn't have a purpose yet, so there's more functions coming soon, and this is for the magnet adjustment. So if we look at this, it's currently on the, I guess, the loosest center travel, so it is very, very loose and fast, so we might tighten that, maybe just 3 clicks. So 1, 2, 3. And we'll do that for all the sides, so that we can get a gauge of what it actually feels like. Okay, so now I'll put all the center caps back in. So what that'll do is it will give it like a higher anti-pop resistance, so it's less likely to pop, but it will also make corner cutting worse, which with this kind of alignment you probably shouldn't do corner cutting too much, and that feels a lot more solid. So it was very flexible to start off with, but now it feels very solid and smooth. So, with that done, I say we should try it with this new lube. So, this is Comet from Speedcube shop. So, if we this is difficult to open. There we go. So now, so 6 drops, break and enjoy. So it says to use 6 drops. See, and just unscrew. Child lock. And it's got this little funnel thing to make it easier to apply. So we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the recommended 6 drops. We'll see if that works. And then let's do okay, so that's definitely affected it. It's now a very, very smooth cube. It's got a bit of a muted sound. And overall, this is really nice. Definitely would recommend it. It is very expensive, obviously, the cube, but it's a really nice cube, and I will probably be making this in the future.